Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be solving question number 10 from chapter 3. So this is a question. It says that write a program that checks whether a number is palindrome. Into bracket, read the same forward and backward. Example 121121. So if you reverse this number, it still give you the same number. So we have to write a program that checks this one for us. So we need an input from the user. So I imported the scanner class as usual, and I made use of it, and I prompt the user to enter a number, and I stored this number in a variable named number of an integer type. So this one is going to be similar to the previous example that I have just solved. So we need two variables that is going to hold the converted number to a string, then the reversed number, and I need another variable that's also going to hold the reverse number. So 3. So I need string. So this one, let me call it reverse number. Why do I keep on? So this is reverse number. And now this reverse number, what am I going to reverse? I'm going to reverse it to an integer. So I'm just going to use the integer class. What string? What am I going to convert? Converting this number. Simple as that. Now I need another another variable of a string type that's going to hold the reverse string. So I need string is equal to So this is going to be reverse string. Now I'm going to use that class, the same class that I used before, which is the string builder. I'm going to use the string builder. Now, what do I want to manipulate? I want to manipulate this one, the reverse string. So now put it here. This is a string that I want to manipulate. So what do I want to do? I just want to reverse it. So dot reverse to string. Simple as that. Now I have to convert this reverse string into an integer. So int, you call it reverse number. And this one, the same time, I'm just going to use the integer class. So it's going to be the sparse int and the same variable, just got a solve there. Yeah. Now I have to use the if statement to determine whether the number is the same or not. Okay. So you come here, if this number is equal to this reverse number, then the number is what? Palindrome. Else it's not palindrome. So simple as that. So if this number is equal to the reverse number, then number this one shouldn't be in a string, shouldn't be. So the number So the number is palindrome. Else it's not. The number is not palindrome. We have to add. Okay, so there is something wrong with this line. What is it? Variable reverse number is already defined in the where? Okay, reverse number. Okay, let me change this one. Let me just say number to string. I don't want to use reverse number because this is not so number. The string, and I'm gonna copy it. Number to string, number to string. Yeah, I think that's it. So here I am converting, I'm not reversing, okay? I'm converting this number to a string. And here I'm reversing this string. Yes, I'm just reversing it. So you see this here, I'm reversing it. And here I'm also reversing, I'm converting the reverse string into a number. So it's called reverse number. So if this number being inputted by the user is the same as the reverse number, then the number is palindrome, else that number is not. So let me run the program and see if everything works fine. Enter a number. So let me use the same example in the book because it's a palindrome number. So I'm going to use 12, 11, 21. It says what? 12, 11, 21 is a palindrome. Simple as that. Now let me enter a different number. I don't know whether it's palindrome or not. So let me run it again. 24, 17, 18. This is the number I have entered. You see, you cannot read this number backwards and have the same value. So it's not. So it's not palindrome. So let me add some. It's not a palindrome. So let me enter 1 to 1 because it's the same as the reverse number. So 1 to 1 is a palindrome. So that's it. The program works fine, and this is the code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.